Replacing all the fonts in Storyline seems like it could be a rather daunting task, but it's really fairly simple, and it's often overlooked how to do it. And where I usually see it is when I open up a project that maybe someone else created, and I don't have the same font package. So for example, in this one, you'll usually get an error message. You'll see that when you open up that you're missing some of the fonts. Now, ideally, if this was a project that I was building for a customer, I would want to go find those fonts before I opened up this project. But if it was something I was just working on and I didn't want to deal with the missing fonts and I wanted to swap them out, I can show you how you can do that. So I'm going to hit OK. And then I'm just going to go to one of the slides. And so it's really easy. Maybe the shortest YouTube video I've done yet is very simple. Under the Find and Replace option, if you select the expansion arrow, it'll open up an option called Replace Fonts. And so here it'll show you this dialog box where you can look at any of the fonts in the project that you want to replace. And the ones that do not have an indicator of what type of font they are, and they're written in more of a courier type font, those are the ones that you currently do not have installed. So those would definitely be ones that I would want to replace. So in this one, Arial's being used, Calibri, and this one called Hind or Handlight and Canet Extra Bold, these would be ones that I would want to replace. So I can select one of these and then go find whatever font I want to replace it with. So in this case, I might go ahead and choose Arial since I'm already using it in the project, and I'll hit Replace, and then I can come in and select another one and hit Canet Extra Bold, and maybe I want to replace it with the Arial Black or an Arial Bold since that one was a bold as well. And then I'll hit Replace. And so it's gone through this entire project. This happens to only be 2 slides and replaces those fonts. This can come really handy if you didn't have a lot of the fonts, or if you had a large project and you weren't really using the text styles. Like, you can always do that here under the normal text styles. But if you just wanted to replace kind of wholesale all of your fonts, then under Home, Replace Fonts may be a solution you can use.